Where's the squirrel? Get up there, Stells. Get up there. Oh my gosh. Look at how high she is. Oh my god.
If you want to try the feeling of adventure without going far, find this German dog.
Are you okay?
That's the face of a dog who thinks he's the CEO of this road trip.
Alright, you look very comfortable. I love you, bud. Let it go.
Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark.
Nope. When German had a perfect plan, his enemy said, "Better luck next time."
Oh no!
Even though Shepherd is just a dog, he values his privacy so bad.
Who do they think they are? I've given the best years of my life to this place and they think they can just fire me like that? Like trash? I don't think so.
After all he's done, this criminal needs to find a place where humans can't catch him. This boy's brain said, "Run immediately," at the first second he saw the kitty.
Are you okay?
If there was a winner for family bonding activities, no one deserved it more than him. How could something this small trap another dog? I need to get him out.
Oh, you're so cute, pup. Let me see you smile. Oh, that's such a cute smile. That's such a cute smile, pup. Let me see you smile. Oh, you're so handsome. So handsome. Let me see you smile. Yeah.
Doggy probably wants to know why he can understand human language. Doggo's planning to take his loot home to present to his parents.
Okay. Get it!
Human, we need to rescue this ball. It must be feeling very cold.
What are you doing?
My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius.
My name is Jeff.
Sometimes these supposed guard dogs forget they're supposed to be tough.
Dámelo. Dame ese. Por favor.
This German will go down in history for daring to steal a police car.
No. Stop. Stop. Buddy.
This guy's willing to share his bed with another beautiful girl. Not this bro. Not knowing how strong this chicken is, but German knows he needs to run first. That's one way to get someone's attention. Forget talking, just initiate the human tornado maneuver.
Abra la boca. Señor, no me dé la pata, le toca la medicina a usted. Usted sabe que el médico... Ah, ¿quieres un treat? Ok. Ah.
Did you take a carrot?
With a carrot in his mouth, this dog looks like he's about to blow a referee's whistle.
Did you? I think you might have. Did you take a carrot?
Okay, now that's my question. Too early? Sorry, I'm not good at this. Oh. Do you not like the smell of it? Smell it. Oh. Does it smell yucky? Oh. Oh. Okay.
A game of peekaboo with a German Shepherd. They're having a blast. This stick collector couldn't resist the temptation of this beautiful and unique stick.
It was wobbling so hard.
Come on, see if he just does a thing. Do it.
Never let a shepherd notice your belongings, because he's a part-time thief.
Bye, have You can't bring that inside, Rick. That is way too big of a stick. Okay, well that...
When you go to the vet with your balls, but can't find them when your mom picks you up.
I really wonder how she could have the confidence to sing in front of me like that. When Doggy's waited too long for his order to be delivered.
I think you've got it.
Is he the most handsome dog in the world? Definitely. It seemed that he smelled grilled meat on the wind. This boy's main activity today is to make a snowman. He made the head. As if the doggo's practices imitating skills in his mother's womb.
Can I see your ear?
Watching TV with a German Shepherd be like.
Good boy. Come on.
Is anyone there? I can't see anything. I need help.
Listen, I know you have to poop, okay? But I am also in the process of pooping, so I can't stop to let you out.
The moment Buddy needs the FBI to investigate his homie, especially these devilish sounds.
Can't give anymore.
Get out! This place is mine. I won't share it.
Janet, what did you do?
It takes just seconds for the shepherd to turn a sweet movie into an action one. Puppy has collected another item to add to his collection. No matter what, Doggo always remembers his mother telling him to close the gate before going out.
wanna go for water park? Water park? Oh shit! You okay? Are you a boy?
Human doesn't have to wait until fall to witness the sight of falling maple leaves.
Mírala, ya tú ya la estás haciendo con saña, como que ya te enojaste. Órale, cocazo.
Because the German Shepherd knows he can't fix his mistakes, he finds a superhero for him.
Look at her. Now she gonna be ashamed of herself coming out looking like that.
Which one of you did this? Which one? Huh? Was it you?
Okay, so if there's 2 squirrels per tree, there might be more. And there's 50,000 trees. 50,000 times 2 is 100,000 squirrels, and I've peed on 10 trees, so 10 times 2.
Human has never been more grateful for Doggo's mischief than he is right now. He's starting them young. Early enrollment in Fetch 101 with Professor Doggo.
Go. Get up and go. Come on.
Move away from the door.
Jake, come on. Come on, out. Come on, go ahead.
The book. Sit. Ricker, sit. Pretend to sit. Good job. Ready? It's not real bright.
Want to go outside? Want a treat? Mama's home. Of course.
Okay, sit. Speak. 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 Go.
When Doggy doesn't have a driver's license to drive a car, but is too lazy to walk.
Get it, Nacho! Come on! Nacho, get it! Nacho, get it! Oh, fuck. Yeah! Oh, yeah! Let's go, come on, bring it with you!
For this dog, nothing's off limits. He needs to confirm that he's the only dog in this human's life. No matter how cold he acts, he just wants Kitty to stay with him.
No, no tengo, bebé.
Oh my god. Come on. Oh my god. Good girl.
The German Shepherd makes our home more interesting, doesn't it? Thanks a lot.